Hello and welcome back to my channel Graphics. So in this video we're gonna talk about the what is different CLI and GUI. Okay, now we're gonna open it. So this is it from the hostinger. Okay. So what is CLI? Definition of CLI and its function. You may have come across the term CLI when reading articles about IT and you wondered, what is CLI? In short, CLI is an acronym for Command Line Interface. With this program, user can type command in text form and give instruction to the computer to do certain tasks. Although it has many functions, not everyone is familiar with CLI. In fact, some novice users are afraid to use it because it looks too advanced. They feel this program is more suitable for professional and experienced users. In fact, this is not the case. So, apart from discussing what the CLI is, in this article we will also discuss the history of the command line interface and its uses. So, CLI history. After knowing what CLI is, then we will discuss the history of CLI. So the CLI first became widely used around the 1960s. At the time, the only input device used was the keyboard, and new computer screens could display information in the form of text. Operating systems such as MS-DOS used the CLI as the standard user interface. So the CLI is like this. You can type it to if you're using Windows, you can type CMD command prompt. Yeah. So this is a CLI. Like for example, you can see your okay, not that. Okay, where that went wrong. Uh, like hmm. Just like you can type it like for example IP config. Okay, this is showing you of the IP config Windows IP configuration. Your IP has is it this is okay, and for example 2 you can search test your internet network like ping google.com. Yep, that's it. Nice. So that's for example. Okay, now continue to perform a number of tasks. The user had to type commands in the CLI, which at the time was the only way to communicate with the computer. After a command is typed, the displayed result it will be text-based information or a specific action performed by the computer. So the key is not to type in the wrong command. If you type the wrong command, you might actually delete files that shouldn't be deleted or close running programs. This is where the CLI lacks, yeah, because if you wrong command like delete it or close, there will be some trouble on your computer. Okay, so after years of using only the keyboard with a high risk of typo commands, the mouse was finally invented. Point and click method was invented, which became a new way to communicate with computer. This method is considered safer for novice users because they don't have to use the CLI. Even so, the command line interface still has many advantages. In addition, the operating system began to develop a more attractive way of computing, namely GUI, yeah, graphical user interaction. Okay, for the GUI, maybe that's for the next video. So this is video just explaining for the CLI. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and enjoyed, and see you on the next video. Bye.